Alright, now time to put this bad boy in the car. Don't judge how dirty my car is. First throw it in. And there's hooks on most of the seats on both sides. And I guess first thing I'll do is take these instructions and yeah, so I'll try and do this on one hand here. Actually, it's not gonna work. Let's do that. Okay, so there's the orange button back here. Push, pull this out. This is a little clicker that just slides right onto these metal attachments there. You didn't ratchet in when you close it. Go around the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so that's that orange button here. Push that and pull out on this tab. Same thing, click it into that little metal bracket. Yes, there's a little tolerance bubble there. It's a little high in the front still. All good. Until that little gauge there is getting green, a little bit pushed in about halfway. You really gotta take some body weight to push this thing down more. There we are. Almost there, almost there. Cool. That's fully green. So you just push it down until these ratchets tight enough. And then we'll take we have a 3-point seatbelt, so you'll take that as the guidance here for those. So the lower one goes across the lap, and the upper goes around the back here and through the hook. So good. Twist out as that comes across. Upper goes around and into this little back hook here. There's that. And then you take the seat belt, secure that puppy into the seat. And that the back here is locked in, green. And ratchet that tight. So once again, green there, green on the back, and in the bubble tolerance. And that is completely set. So if you want to drop these handles down, actually it wants you to just keep it in the upright position for driving, I guess. So that is the configuration.